Squad, what's going on, man? It's your boy KNOCKOUT360 with another video. So as you can tell, I'm in a car that makes this car vlog. You already know how it's going down when I come around. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. First things first, I want to thank each and every last one of my new subscribers, new viewers for tuning in. Car content, car shows, car reviews, car meets, and anything and everything car related. As long as it's done in the rain, it happens on this channel, man. For everyone else, hit that subscription button and that notification bell so that you know what's coming out and when it's coming out, right? So I got some good news for you guys. I got some good news for all of my Ford guys, my GM guys, my Dodge guys, Jeep, all that, Ram, everyone across the board. Business is back open, man. And I say that to say, if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, FCA, GM, Ford, and I think that's actually about it. They open their manufacturing doors as of Monday, the 18th, May 18th, right? So basically, they're producing cars now. They're getting cars out of the manufacturing plant. They're taking care of business. Things are starting to ramp up again. Essentially, business is back open, man. So new cars are starting to be produced. To my understanding, they're going to do things in waves, as in I don't think they have a fully staffed manufacturing plant the first week. I think they're going to do things in waves where they have, like, you know, the first wave of people come in the 18th. The next wave will be what, the 25th or something like that, whenever next Monday is. And then they'll probably be at full capacity next week or the week after, or whatever the case may be. Because if you're not familiar with it, in Charlotte, North Carolina, at least, phase 2 of the reopening begins Friday, May 22nd. So basically, at that point, barbershops, hair salons, I think beauty supply stores, stuff like that can start to open up now. Restaurants can start to open up now. Things are slowly but surely getting back to normality. You know what I'm saying? They've been shut down for the last month and a half, 2 months maybe, as far as FCA is concerned specifically. Manufacturing plants have been shut down, and I told you guys in a recent video that basically what you saw on the dealership lot is what's there. You know what I'm saying? And I say that to say they were not producing any more Charger wide bodies. 2020 Dodge Charger wide bodies were not coming out. If you saw one on the lot, you'd be lucky to see that one, because that was literally the last one that was there, more than likely. No new ones were coming in. Dodge was not producing any new 2020 wide body Chargers. They were not releasing any. All of the Daytonas were obviously out and about, already on the lots. But as far as the HELLCATs and the SCAT pack wide bodies, they were not coming. What you saw is literally what you got. When I went and bought mine, when I bought mine, there was only two. There was a black one, which is the one that I bought. Then there was a white one. And that was literally the only two wide bodies that was on the lot. Real talk. They didn't have any, and I don't think that they have any at this point. And that's Keffer Dodge on Independence for all you guys that's in Charlotte. And they still haven't. A lot of dealerships don't have any wide bodies in stock simply because the factory shut down. And when the factory shut down, what was out and already circulating and already on the streets and already on the dealership lots, that was it. And that was all you guys were going to get. One of my subscribers, man, I wish I knew his name off the top of my head. He hit me in the DMs on Instagram, told me that he put in a custom order literally right before everything shut down. I think he said he did it in like early February, and they told him it would take like 4 to 6 weeks production time. He put in a custom order for a wide body Charger, maybe a HELLCAT if I'm not mistaken. Not a Daytona, just a regular HELLCAT, just a regular 700 horsepower car. He put in a custom order, custom color, interior, the whole nine in February. They were told, or they told him that it would take 4 to 6 weeks for them to build it, which is pretty standard, you know what I'm saying? So he was hoping to get that in 1st of March, mid-March. Nope. When everything shut down, so did his order. So he's been on back order for probably the last 2-3 months at this point, due for a new car. And you know, if you order a car, they make you put the down payment down. So he's already came out of his pocket for some money on that car that he doesn't have and hasn't had for the last 3.5 months at this point. You know what I'm saying? 2.5 months, 3 months, something like that. So his order will obviously be getting fulfilled first. I would imagine everybody that put in an order around that time, their orders will be fulfilled first. So you will be getting your cars kind of first as far as delivery is concerned. For everyone else that just wants to look at a wide body, test the wide body like myself at the time, you're going to have to wait. The manufacturing plants just opened up this past Monday, the 18th. It is currently the 22nd or 20th, excuse me. Wednesday, it's currently the 20th. They just opened up the factories as of this past Monday, 2 days ago. So I would imagine it's probably going to take them 2 weeks to get back up to full steam. Maybe not, maybe not. Like I said, they're doing things in waves where they're having the first wave come in this past Monday. I think they're having another wave maybe today. and then another wave maybe next week or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Trying to minimize, I guess, you know, the amount of people in one particular area as much as possible. So the factories are back open, business is back open. I'm not sure about dealerships. Dealerships are a little different. To my understanding, the service department, as it pertains to fixing cars, oil changes, tire rotation, stuff like that, I believe that they're still open and still open for business. But as far as the selling of cars, the dealer lots and things of that sort, I'm not sure if those dealerships are open. That may be on a case-by-case basis. I think the dealerships in Charlotte have pretty much been shut down, or were. They may be open at this point, considering we're in phase 1 of the reopening. So things may be back open at this point, certainly next week, because phase 2 begins Friday as far as reopening things are concerned. That rain is coming down heavy. See the things I do for you guys, whatever it takes to get the content out, I'm gonna do it for you guys, real talk. But yeah, so the dealerships are slowly opening back up. That should pretty much be worldwide as far as North America is concerned. So for all you guys that's in the market for a 2020 Dodge Charger wide body, or just the 2020 Dodge Charger in general, or Dodge Charger Challenge, 2020 Dodge Challenger wide body, or the narrow body, whatever the case may be, you guys should be in luck within the next, I don't know, 2-3 weeks. You know what I'm saying? You guys should seriously be seeing some movement as far as those cars coming to the lot, because things are starting to slowly open up. This may also be the time for you guys to go ahead and put your orders in. You know what I'm saying? For the custom guys, the guys that want to kind of get the custom deal, you know, you want a certain color, a certain interior, you want certain wheels, certain performance modifications, upgrades, things of that sort. This may be the best time to do that. If your dealership is open and you have the ability to do so, to go down to the dealership and talk, you know, talk numbers and go ahead and pre-order that, this may be the time to do it, because I would imagine once business gets back up to booming, everyone's going to want that wide body. You know what I'm saying? There's going to be a huge demand for those things. So once they come to the lot and they don't have anyone's name on it, you can almost guarantee they're going to disappear. And I'll give you a story here. My particular wide body Charger came in Saturday. I got a call from my homegirl that works up there Saturday night. She sent me a text message, and by Monday it was gone. You know what I'm saying? Obviously they don't sell cars on Sundays. I think they're closed. So I mean, literally that car was on a lot for maybe a full day Saturday, and then by Monday it was gone. And then I think that white one was gone that same week. So these cars do not last on the dealer lot. So if you're interested in the wide body, you may be better off, depending on what your trim and all that stuff is, and depending on what your budget, and whether or not you want to kind of forfeit that money up front to pre-order that particular car, you may want to go ahead and put in a custom order and get Dodge to go ahead and order that wide body for you, so that it's waiting on you, so that there's no risk of it selling out and you not having it, and then having to wait for another batch, or have it go to another dealership. You know what I'm saying? Or have to go to another dealership and put in an order when you could have done that up front, so that the car was waiting on you, man. This rain is coming down, man. It may add to the, you know, the video, like an ambient, you know what I'm saying? You guys might go to sleep on my video. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but yeah, so the factories are open, business is back booming. Everything started as of this Monday. I would probably imagine they're going to start shipping cars out as soon as they can, ASAP. You know what I'm saying? Getting cars out on a daily basis like that. You're going to see more wide bodies coming to your dealerships. You're going to see more wide bodies in the city being sold. Dealerships are starting to open up. A lot of cities and states are starting to open up as far as business is concerned. Charlotte's been open since last Friday. We're going to be doing more opening this Friday. So slowly but surely things are getting back to the norm, man. So for all you guys out there that's in the market for 2020, rest assured your time is coming. They're right around the corner. You know what I'm saying? You should be seeing those new cars on your lot, if, you know, by this week, if not next week, or by next week, if not this week. You know what I'm saying? And for everyone else, like I said, you may want to consider putting in a custom order, because once those wide body hits the lot, they're gone immediately. Those cars sell really fast, especially the SCATs. You're getting all that power, all that look, all that tire, all that meat, all that thickness for $45,000, $46,000. I'm telling you, they're not going to last, man. But I did want to bring that to you guys. Everything is opening up. FCA is open, Ford is open, GM is open. The big three are back open and back, you know, handling business. I think GM was going through some sort of strike situation prior to the pandemic hitting. So I know a lot of you guys out there, you Chevy guys and GMC guys, were probably hurting pretty good for something new to come your way. You know what I'm saying? I think the strike is over, everything's good at this point, man. Everything's looking good. FCA's back to work, Ford, GM, everyone's back to work, man. So new cars will be coming your way pretty soon. So if you're in the market for that wide body, now is the time to go ahead and start looking, or just be on the lookout for it when it drops, right? As always, it's been your boy KNOCKOUT360 here with a real quick video. Just wanted to update you guys for what's going on. I got to get out of here, man. It's a monsoon. My house is right back there, but I mean, you know, I'm about to get stupid wet. Stupid dumb wet. But as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace, take it easy, and stay safe, man.